All right, so good morning. Welcome. Yo, what's up? So, I'm currently watching. I have this buy side here as a draw. I do like that. In 3 minutes, we have the open range gap. It will gap higher, so it will be 120 handles or more. So there's buy side resting in the regular trading hours. I do like that. And after that, if we look on the 15-minute, we do have sell side liquidity down here. So ideally, we trade gap higher, trade into these buy sides, and then within the end of the week and next week, we trade into the sell side liquidities. I think that would be ideal. And I'm already watching here on a possible setup here, a long setup for 80 handles. I did not get the 15 seconds here. So yeah, ideally trade into these buy sides up here. And then back into the open range gap. We do also have a cluster of new week opening gaps up here above the buy side and above this buy side. That's 80 handles to maybe 100 handles, and then I want to see it go back to the open range gap. That's my plan. Thinking of going 1 micro here. Let me get in 1 micro here. Very small risk, just pre-opening, basically. Okay. So I dipped once more into that with the sell side. Let's see. The 5 seconds here. I mean, that only was 15 handles, it's fine. Up here is my target. Well, fortunate. Oops. Okay, we do have the 15 seconds busy here. I wanna put in my stop loss just below the busy. Let's go to 1 minute here. Okay. Oh boy, I hope I'm back. All right, so I hope I'm back. OBS disconnected me. All right, let's see. If this stops me, I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. All right, so we're gonna wait here. Not big of a deal. And the internet is currently going crazy. So this buy side is taken here with the open image gap trading higher, but I still like the buy side up here. I wanted to see the continuation from the 120 handle gap higher into the buy side up here. That is why I positioned myself pre-market. But very, very small risk. I'm not using a mini this time. Yeah, at least 15 minutes, I know. So after 9:30. But because we did have this busy and you see how the bodies respected that, right? So that was a sign that I want to trade into the buy side up here and not only into this buy side from the regular trading hours. It can still reach up here. I'm gonna wait now for a better entry. I mean, the entry was within my entry model. We did trade off of a busy higher time frame. We had a market structure shift and we had a busy here. So that was totally fine to take. Okay, first presentation up here at 9:32. I mean, it's not a big of a deal. It was not even 0.5%, so 0.25%, 0.25%. Very, very, very low risk. And I used so less risk because we already did trade into the buy side here from the regular trading hours. So risk management is really important here. So let's see. I mean, if you trade below this and below the open range gap midpoint, I like this low with the current week opening gap here. See on yes. So you see we're making higher highs and lower lows here. So similar to NQ. Open range gap is, the midpoint is just at that sell side liquidity pool here. And the opportunity to this buy side here is still 130 handles. From here, 150 to the sell side. Hey man, hey Marco. Yes sir. I'm doing well. I'm doing very, very good. Alright, so we are trading towards the 50% of the open range gap. So sell side down here. This might be a draw. But for now, we are waiting. I want to wait until 10 AM and see what the first 30 minutes do. So yeah, right now we are trading inside this 15-minute busy here. We just tapped into this lower busy here. I wanted to see a run into the high here from the regular trading hours, and then drop into the sell side down here. Okay, we do have another chance here to get up here. And leave the sell side for after 10 AM. Let's see how it behaves there. So the 1 minute candle is still not closing. Somewhere here. I want to see how the order flow inside this 1 minute candle is now going. So this busy here. 40. If it cannot have the bullish order flow I want to see, then I'm not going to enter on this. And you see how it directly traded out below this low here. So I'm not using that. So it's setting up the sell set down here. And you can see now on the regular trading hours, the buy setup here, this one, they just engineered that on the regular trading hours. This 1 hour high and this 1 hour high. That is why I like a draw into that first and then come back down into the news lows. So this one is regular trading hours. I was looking at the 15 seconds busy here, the smaller one here, as an entry. It did not give me that. Hey man, welcome, welcome. That's nice to hear you about that. I'm gonna position one here. It's still rejected from the first presentation, so I'm using one. All right, it was based on the 15 seconds here. So right now, I'm gonna wait. If I want to trade into the buy side, I have to see it go above the first presentation. I should have waited for that. But that is why I'm using micros. So that's totally fine. We are down not even 0.5%. So still completely fine. I'm gonna wait if it wants to reach into the buy side, otherwise I'm gonna sit still for now. And if it reaches there and shows a short setup, then I'm using that to trade into the sell side here and here. And so far we're ranging inside that 50-minute busy. I like the idea that we trade above this reclaimed busy here. I did not show anything above the first presentation. For me to short this into the sell side, I want to see a run into the regular trading hour high. If it runs there first, then I might sit still for today and continue tomorrow. So for the rest of the day. Let's see what 10 AM does. post PMs, the post NFP action here. Back and forth. But that's why I'm using micros, and if I see a really high probability setup, like on Monday, where we did trade on the 1 seconds, I use minis to get the best out of it. See what ES is doing. Uh, 25222.75 micros in Q. Or down here. Yeah, it's similar to this one here. Very similar. So if 10 a.m. is going to reach lower into those sell sides, then it's permissible to trade as a short down here. Otherwise, I would wait for it to trade into the buy side once more and then roll over. But I mean, if you look at the daily chart, we're still trading inside that block here, inside the middle of that range. So it's not high probability or anything. And yeah, so risk management has to be on point. All right, so the sell side here is reached and the open range gap midpoint. So there's a 1 minute CB. Still 75 handles. Get that. This would be from the 15 seconds here. That would be 1 to 2 setup. That would be my last setup for this AM session. I'm looking at the 1 minute CB here. And the stop loss should be just above that. It's like that. I'm taking that because we have a 15-second CB and an order block. Okay, so that would be the last setup for me. And now wonky. But still manage the risk correctly. Everything correctly. It's only 0.5% down on today's. There's still a possibility to get a scalp on the 5 or 1 seconds within 1 milli to get everything back. Okay, the stop loss had to be above this candle here, I see. That's unfortunate. I'm gonna watch on the 1 seconds here for possibly 1 minute setup from these premium arrays. This one here would be nice. So I might just look at it, trade into this sell side here, and be done for the day. I can still present something on the 1 seconds here. Let's go back to the 15 seconds. From here. I want to see if it can present something on that. So far, it looks really poor in terms of structure. So yeah, I might just sit on the hands for now. I'm gonna study the rest into the sell side down here. So we had a really unfortunate stop loss here on that high. It should be a little bit higher here, to be honest. Okay, so this would have been really, really good scalping opportunity. I did not get anything in that, unfortunately, and this one stopped me, so I'm fine with that. And we still have the buy side up here from the regular trading hours. So overall, good amount of handles up this week, and just have to be good in the risk management. Yeah, unfortunate. But it is what it is. Not my best session, not my best focused session, I would say. Yeah, especially with the old first presentation here and the 15-minute busy here, that low, the stop loss had to be above this 1-minute candle here, where the CB is. That would have been the best stop loss management here to get the sell side liquidity down here. So these are things I'm always journaling and always reviewing when I trade. And other than that, let's see on the 15. So yeah, we might do out once more into the new week opening gap. And for today, I don't have any more high probability draws, not yet. In the PM session, on the 15, we did leave the regular trading hour high from this one, from this one here to this one. So they are relative equal highs now. But also we do have relative equal lows down here. So it really depends on how we trade on the new week opening gap towards tomorrow and on Friday. And then I'm gonna have a better view on that again. So yeah, losing day, but still within the risk management, still within good money management. Overall, a good amount of handles up. And these are days that are part of the trading, part of your journey. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm going for a walk and do something else and step away a little bit, and then come back in the PM session inside the VIP room. And I do have both liquidities open here. So still a good amount of handles that we can catch here. And I hope you liked it. And yeah, this is how it looks when I have losing trades, when I have a trade that could have been avoided with the stop loss management here above this candle here, this green candle with the 1-minute CB. So that would have been a, what was it? I think 70 handles. So yeah, that's it. I come back tomorrow in the AM session. We do have another more news inside tomorrow's, I think, pre-market session. And on Friday. Yeah, Friday we do have a CPI. I am looking forward to that. And yeah, so I hope you liked this. I will be back tomorrow and have a great day. Bye-bye.